Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mr. Potato Head. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing two ovals for the eyes. And then inside each one, let's draw a curve at the top. And then another oval inside. And let's color both of these in black. Now we're going to hop on top and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. Then let's bring it up from the center and out at the ends. And close it off at the top. Now that we're done the eyes, we're going to hop in between and draw the nose. Let's start with the bump up in between the eyes. Then from each end, let's angle it out and curve it in. And then one more bump to close off the bottom. Now underneath the nose here, let's draw the mustache. Let's start with two large curves down and out. Then let's hop to the center and add two bumps. And then work our way out on each side. Now inside the mustache, let's draw a line down in the center and angled lines out on each side. Now underneath the mustache, let's add a curve across for the mouth. And one more curve inside. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop back up to the top and draw the hat. Let's start with a curve across. Then let's bring it up on each end. And then another curve across the top. Now on top, let's hop in and let's draw a large curve up. And another curve across at the bottom. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the body. On each side, let's add a curve down. Then let's bring it out and in. And then close off the body with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop out and draw the ears. On each side, let's start near the top and let's draw an oval, around and back in. Now let's hop inside and let's add a bump. And then from the top, let's curve it around and up. Now that we have the ears, let's hop down and draw the arms. Let's start with a curve next to the body on each side. And angle each side in, leaving a gap in the center. Now before we add the arm, let's hop down and let's draw the hands. Let's start with a curve in and back up for the first finger. And then another finger going down next to it. And one more shorter finger up on each side. Now from the bottom, let's curve it out. And the same at the top. And now let's close off the ends. Now around the end of the hand, let's add a curve like this. And now that we're done the hand, let's add the arm with 2 curves out and down. And the same on the other side. Now that we're done the arms, let's hop to the bottom and add the feet. Let's start with 2 curves down in the center. And then a larger curve down and out on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Next, let's hop inside and let's add another curve along the bottom. Then let's add a curve down from the toe. And then on top, let's curve it down and up. And then 2 more curves down underneath. And that's it for Mr. Potato Head. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!